Happy Sunday!
Kapag-date kami sa pagkatagal-tagal.
Aaron. Daddy is the one driving. He's the pastor.
Wow!
Welcome to our back channel.
You're so cute.
Oh.
Where are we? We're in Ikus very early. Good morning. We're very early today because Daddy will be in church. We are in church because Daddy will speak in the pulpit.
About the Archie.
Yes. How about Achi? Achi is still at home sleeping. So we only bring Daddy in Ikus because Daddy will preach. Do not eat the finger, that's dirty. So now we will go home. Usually, kapag magpipreach si Daddy, dinadala niya yung car. Pero this time, we need a car kasi walang tubig sa bahay. Again. Your seatbelt very good. Good job. Okay. There. We'll go home first. Kwentuhan ko kayo later of what happened. Bakit ang aga namin nagising, why we're here. Why we do our pay. It's still a good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, YouTube. Say good morning to them. Good.
Cody.
Hey, good morning. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Yeah.
Change.
Faye.
Hello. I'm missing fish scissors.
Did you go with mommy? What did you do? What did we do nga?
I see a fish.
You see a fish. What else?
My water.
By water. And what else pa? We bring Daddy to the church.
Oopsie.
Oopsie. So cute. Where's Achi?
On the house.
In the house. What's Achi doing in the house?
Pee.
How about Pepe?
Pick up na.
How about Kai Kai?
Pick up na.
What's Kai Kai doing if wake up na?
Sleeping.
No, that's sleeping.
About.
Are you happy?
About the mommy.
What?
About the mommy.
About mommy?
Also go also.
Also go with Pepe.
About the titos.
Tito? Tito Joshua and Tito Simar?
Yeah. Tito.
So about them and Tita Mimi.
Yeah.
How about them? Where are they?
Home.
Home in their house.
Ito come back dito, okay?
Come back later. Why do you miss them?
Wake up, the sun is shining. A brand new day, it's so inviting. Embrace the beauty all around in this peaceful morning. Let's be found, let's cherish the quiet and calm. Find serenity in nature's song. The morning brings us tranquility. Grateful
Isip po
for
ng baby.
every blessing
Good
we see.
morning.
Smile in the morning light. Feel the joy, it's pure delight. Embrace the peace that
Clap, clap.
fill your soul.
Clap, clap.
Gratitude for every wonderful.
Open it. Pwede pa kuha. Kaya. Ay. Wow. Oh, you're nakikita. It's very big. No. It's so big a sound. Wow, oh, let's make a sound. It has a dinosaur, it's a battery. How to make a sound? Because life is so amazing. Yung buong video namin, naka-zoom to 2.7. So, ako lang yung nakikita the whole time. Papakita ko sana yung nabili naming toys from Toys R Us. Naka-sale siya.
Mine.
Yeah, I just want to show it to them. Can we show it to them? No? Can Mommy borrow for a while, please? Can I borrow?
People.
No, because I need to show the big one and the small one. The big one, borrow this one, fast lang. Okay, I'll get it na lang. No more na lang. No, I need to borrow the big one. Very fast lang. 1 minute. No, the big one. Okay? So this is the big dinosaur. What do you call this dinosaur?
Big.
No. What's the name of the dinosaur? It's making a sound. No. When you move the head, wow. And there's some music. And then, they have parang figures ng mga tao. This one, where they can ride. Nice. It's a boy and a girl. Then there's a small dinosaur, yung di nagsasound, nakasama, like this one. Meron ding ride. Then, I think they have a car. Where's their car, Langga? Where's their car? There! Yeah, show it to them. Yan, yung car nila. It's very nice. Cute siya. Pwedeng sumakay yung dalawa. Tapos, parang ito yung whole set. Then, we have another dinosaur. Is it a pterodactyl?
Yeah.
It's a flying dinosaur. Yan, apat. It's very nice. You like it?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Nag-away pa sila kanina kasi si Kai Kai wants to hold
Mommy.
everything.
Mommy.
Sorry, gulo ng mga faces nila. Can we fix your hair first?
Wow.
Another summer day has come and gone away in Paris and Rome, but I wanna go home. Maybe surrounded by a million people, I still feel all alone. Just wanna go home. Oh, I miss you.
Here's our daddy.
One down.
1 down, 2 more to go. Kaya ba yan? I need my coffee.
Wala.
I did not get my coffee fix.
Let's see. May ano
So,
sa
we have no choice. We'll see brewed coffee. Sobrang gulo kanina sa bahay. As in with the kids. And, grabe. So now, iniwan ko na sila. Hindi nangyari lahat ng plans. And, plan to go yun na kay Daddy earlier. Okay, wait.
Flip summon.
Soy chicken. Maulo! Yung aking chicken mushroom. We're here sa favorite namin na place, Chinese LC. Pero ito lang yung gusto namin dito. Saka yung kakao nila. Dito ako bumibili ng dumpling ko. Pero not yet here pa. We're done with our lunch. And mommy's recharge. With daddy. Nakapag-date kami sa pagkatagal-tagal. We are so busy. Yun, diba? Umalis na yung isang yaya namin that is in charge of the cooking and the all around sa bahay. So parang ako, kami ni Daddy nagtutulungan sa lahat, sa chores, tapos ako yung nagpupunta. So, parang nag-a-adjust kami with the setup. So, ngayon na kami nakalabas ulit. Like, nakalabas kami ng birthday ko para lang mag-massage. Yun lang. Now, I request to go to my happy place. Pero hindi na ako always dito pumupunta.
Oh.
Magsa Starbucks kami. Fast lang. Tapos may ready pa kasi siya sa ano niya, sa ipipreach siya for the afternoon naman. And mommy, sorry, grabe talaga yung pawis na wala na lahat ng makeup. Oh my gosh. And me, may prepare din ako. Let's go. What will you order, Daddy?
Brown sugar, salt, milk, ice, sugar, special.
Siyempre ako. Hello, Daddy. Wow! What's happening here? What happened here?
Kayo!
You're watching Pocoyo? I found that shit!
Vlogging?
Yes. Daddy missed you so much.
What did you do,
I
Daddy?
talk in front. Oh, Daddy's voice is weird na. Daddy has no voice na. Oh.
Why?
Very, very tired. Daddy, I'm really sorry. Nabilin sa car ang gimbal. It's in the side of the car. Can you get it, please? Thank you. Yeah, but you can taste it. Small lang.
I taste it too, so I taste it.
Ang gulo nila.
Hey,
We're home.
I'm home also.
Yeah, you did not go out, man. How about the other one?
Aki. Hi.
What did you do? What did you do here at home when mommy and daddy is not here? What did you do? Oy, what did you do?
Baby cry two
Oh
times.
no, Pepe cried 2 times because?
First he ate your finger, next he cried because he's
What
mad.
if it the finger where?
If he's in the door, yeah,
Huh?
he closed the door, but yeah, we did accident.
Let me see. Where? Where's the ipit? Is there yaya in the pan? No more na.
There's
Okay. What
Yes,
else
and-
pa happened?
if he's mad now because he don't want me and
Who is mad?
Feifei.
Pepe is mad at
Me.
you?
Yeah,
Why?
because he's I'm playing by yourself, but he's very mad at me.
Pepe, no. Mommy's vlogging.
Hello.
So Pepe doesn't want to play with you.
Yeah, but he's playing smile. Hey, it's a game. It's funny.
You're so
And
sad.
I'm following Mr. Arian.
Mr. What?
Arian. From I say, here you are, man. European. He say, what is everywhere like that? It's fun. He's
Daddy is
clumsy.
sleeping here because he is very tired.
What's clumsy?
Clumsy.
What's clumsy?
Clumsy means not careful.
And very funny.
Are you happy?
Yes. I'm the one who was playing with someone, and I love Pepe and my eyes it's open wide.
Oh, you like is that your biggest eyes? You make a big eyes. Like that. You're so inchikachi. You're so Chinese.
Why?
Yeah, you
Because
you have very small eyes.
like I'm Filipino again. I'm just half Filipino.
I'm Filipino again. Why?
What's America? The one.
You're not American. American have blonde hair and
What's
they're
blonde
very
hair?
white. Very white.
What's blonde hair?
Like the yellowish hair.
Go.
Our hair is black and dark brown because we're Filipino.
What's Filipino in my face?
You answer that, Daddy. It's Filipino.
Your
Mark.
nose?
Hi, I'm back. We're out of the house now, and I'm in the car. We're going to church now. After that, we'll go home and we'll play. After that, I would have Sunday school. After Sunday school. Hey, I can't see. I don't know. Go out the big house. Mama Bear, I see go out when it goes. The end. That's not the end. Baby said the end because he's done talking, but it's funny. The end. La 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 la.
Pepe, they cannot understand you. You
Yeah.
need to speak
The end.
clearly.
Yeah, and I'm speaking clearly because I'm I'm speaking clearly.
Pepe, can you move so that Achi, because Achi will be the one who will explain where are we going.
I am going to church now. Can't talk clearly because I'm big now. But Baby can't. Baby we said the end because it's funny, but it's not like a story. And there you go, Pony. The end. You need to speak clearly, like me.
You know, I'm just so frustrated with this one.
Yeah, wait. I need to talk next. We're almost in church.
Wait lang, I think I know na. I'm trying to figure out the gimbal because this is a new one, right? And it doesn't follow me. It doesn't want to be in this position.
Wait, I'm talking. We're almost in church. Daddy is the one driving. He's the pastor.
Wow! And the done, it's fixed. I just turn it off and turn it on.
You tried turning it on and off.
Yun na pa sila doon, ano, ng jam. We're here na in Ichthus. Later pa 4 p.m. yung church. Pero pumupunta na kami at 2 p.m. Pero every other Sunday because yung mga women's namin, we called it mga mamangs.
You show you.
We are having a parang Bible study before ng church service. I am teaching the women's here sa community namin on how to study the Bible. And currently we are on the book of James.
Don't go to the home.
And I am the other pastor. The
What?
other church.
You're not the one talking to YouTube.
We are very early. What should we do? Nakakatawa kasi nakatulog kami ni Daddy. Well, the kids is just very, very ganun. So, nung nagising kami, talagang super panicky mode na kami. Tapos, sobrang early pa pala namin. Grabe, ilang minutes lang yung travel?
Really hot.
Sunday, walang traffic. So,
that's
mga less than 10
Parang 10 minutes lang. Sinagising kami mga parang mag-1:30 na. And it's still 1:40.
Mag-CR na ako kasi walang tubig sa bahay. Kaya mag-flash. Dito maka-flash ako.
Next level. Wait lang, because my head is aching.
What's a good?
Aching yay.
Not those. We're the first YouTube and we already got the first. We already became the first. No one's there.
Yeah, it's still closed.
Mommy's going to make coffee later if Daddy's finished making coffee. Okay?
Diba this coffee is for everyone?
Yeah. It's for everybody. But this coffee is colored red now. Because it's colored red. We're the first. Because
Where do you
no-
sit down? Where do we sit down?
Nothing.
Nothing?
And I will give him the shirt. Whoops.
What is that?
It's the one for the church. No, no one is not it there. Daddy, this is for you.
Okay. Naliligo yung mga bata. And we are in a different house. Nasa big house kami. Tawag namin big house. Pero nasa in-laws. We are in our in-laws. Sa in-laws ko. Kasi Yun nga, di ba? The water, kanina dire-diretso na kami from the church, lahat. We forgot to buy water. So, wala nang may natira pang paligo. Tapos, may visitors. Bali, after church, nagkaroon ng dinner with our community doon sa bahay. Yun nga, late na kami ng natapos. And then we realized wala na palang water pang paligo. So we're here in our in-laws para makapaligo lang kami for the night. Then uwi din kami after. We're home na. We're in our bedroom and we done na take a bath. And it's very, very late. That's why our babies are very sleepy. They want to say bye-bye na. Okay, say good night, YouTube.
Go home na.
Just go sleep na. It's sleep time na. I hope that you enjoyed our vlog for today. And say bye-bye na. That's it. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
Yaya, Abi.
Yummy. Okay, good night.